lie on your back in relaxation pose. Take the time to observe the alignment of your body and place it in perfect symmetry. Bring your legs and feet together. Extend them and press them strongly into the earth. Take the arms out to your side along the ground. Exhale, arms come together in the center. Inhale, reaching them over your head along the ground. Exhale, release the arms, right knee into your chest. Hold your right knee with your left hand and draw it across your body to your left. Come back to center. Take your knee into your right hand and drop it open to the right. Come back to center. Hug the leg into your chest. Release the leg and extend it along the ground. Draw the left knee into your chest. Take your left knee with your right hand and draw it across the body to the right. Bring the left knee back to center. Take your knee with your left hand and drop it out to the left. Keep the feet flexed. Bring your knee back to center and draw it towards the chest with both arms. Release. Extend both legs to reclined mountain. Draw both knees up and drop them open to reclined cobbler's pose. Take the hands and press your thighs away from your hips as your spine extends. Release. Raise your knees into your hands, legs open, shins parallel with the ground. Bring your knees together and hug them into your chest, head to your knees. Release the legs and the spine and place the soles of the feet on the ground. Arms straight out to the sides, knees to your chest. Exhale, drop the knees to the left and keep them a couple of inches off the ground. The lower back retains its natural arch. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, drop your knees to the right and keep them a couple of inches off the ground. Inhale, come back up. Bring your feet to the ground. Spread your feet a little wider than hips distance apart. Press your knees together. Release. Bring the feet together. Extend the legs into reclined mountain pose. Bend the right knee into the chest. Take the strap around the right foot and extend the leg into reclined leg stretch pose. Use the strap to stretch the hamstring while keeping the spine in alignment. Hold the strap in your left hand. Guide your leg to the left halfway to the ground. Inhale, come up. Take the strap in the right hand and drop your leg out to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, bend the right knee towards the right armpit. Fully extend the leg back up. Slowly release it to the ground. Bend your left leg to the chest. Extend it straight up in the air with the strap around your foot. Hold on with just your right hand and drop it out to the right. Bring it back up. Drop it out to the left, holding with your left hand. back to center. Bend the knee towards the armpit. Straighten the leg again. Exhale, lower the leg. Bend both legs, soles of the feet on the ground. Elevate your hips into bridge pose. With straight arms, interlace your fingers beneath your hips. Turn the shoulders under, press your arms into the ground. Very slowly, roll your spine down as you release your arms to your sides. From here, roll over to your right side. Lie in your stomach. Turn your toes under. Lift your head and chest. Interlace your fingers as you prop yourself up with your elbows into a modified cobra position. With your toes turned under, stretch through your heels. Point the toes and very slowly release back down. Move your hands by the sides of your chest. Slowly lift up to cobra pose. Soft throat, soft belly. Feel the even arc of your entire body. Release to the ground. Press up to all fours. From here, move your hips and shoulders together, side to side in a circular motion. Now change directions. Come back to center. Turn the toes under and exhale up to downward dog. Extend the arms and legs strongly to lengthen the spine. Bring your right foot forward to a lunge. Bring your left foot forward, both legs slightly bent. Bring your hands on your knees in a supported chair pose. Come up to mountain pose. Raise the arms, interlace the fingers, and extend them over the head. Step your feet about shoulders width apart. Inhale, exhale, lean to the left. Back to center. Inhale, exhale, lean to the right. Come back to center. Sit down in staff pose. Draw your right knee into your chest. As you hug your right leg, lift the chest to sage pose. Inhale, exhale, hook your left elbow over your right knee and turn to twisted sage pose. Come back to center. Legs to staff pose. Bring the left knee into your chest. Hug that leg. Lift your chest up. Release. Turn to the left, holding your bent leg with your right arm. Lift and turn. Release back to staff pose. Sit in simple cross-legged pose. Hands on your knees. Lift into a back bend. Exhale and come forward. Roll back up. Change sides with your legs. Inhale and lift to a back bend. Exhale, come forward. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, slowly turn to your right. release. Change sides with your legs. Turn to your left. Come back to center. Sit on a blanket in simple cross-legged pose. Take your hands to your hips and draw them forward. Slightly tuck and draw them back. Draw them forward, releasing the inner groins. From there, externally rotate the thighs with the use of your hands and come back to center. Place the hands on the thighs, palms facing up, and begin to sit in seated meditation. As you sit, continue to feel the external rotation of the thighs with the pelvis upright. Feel the wideness of the collarbones. Feel the elbows hanging right under the shoulders. Feel the balance of your sitting posture. Feel the weight of your head right over your chest. Let the inner corners of your eyes relax backwards. Let the outer corners of your eyes be wide. Let the center of your eyes relax as if they were hollow. Focus on your inhalation and exhalation until they are of equal length. Let your breathing be the focal point of your meditation.